Hello friends, welcome to Dream Civil Services. From today, we will start HCS main preparation. As we all know, HCS exam is postponed due to pandemic. So let's start with mains preparation because after PT exam there will be less time for mains. So let's start with HCS mains preparation. In today's lecture, I will provide you strategy for mains and what is the pattern for the mains exam, and also discuss one or two questions from previous mains exams. There are 4 papers in mains exam. Paper 1 is of English. In English paper, essay is included and it is of 100 marks and 3 hours is time allotted for paper. And paper 1 is of 100 marks and its marks will be included in mains examination marks, that is in the merit list. And to qualify this paper, at least 33% marks should be obtained. Now let's discuss about English paper 1. All questions are compulsory to do. One question is for pressy writing, that is of 20 marks. That is pressy writing means you have to there is one paragraph and you have to explain it in 1/3 part. And second question is of passage, that is also of 20 marks. And third question is of related to essay, and you have to write essay of 30 marks in 300 words. Like in previous year there was essay on mob lynching and new education policy in India, triple talaq, and one topic was like beauty is truth and truth is beauty. And one word substitution comes in 5 marks, and how to rewrite the following sentences comes in 5 marks, and idiom and phrases in 5 marks. And there is question on fill in the blanks, that is of 5 marks, and correct the sentences comes in 10 marks. And second paper is of Hindi, and it also includes Hindi essay paper, and it is also 100 marks and 3 hours is the time period. Now let's discuss what comes in Hindi paper. First question in Hindi paper is हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए, that is means you have to translate English to Hindi. It is of 15 marks. There is question on letter. You have to write letter on given topics in 10 marks. And third question is of pressy writing of 10 marks. And fourth question is of related to सरल हिंदी में व्याख्या कीजिए. Like for example there was poem as in previous exam there was poem on Rahim and Kabir, and you have to translate English poem in Hindi. And next question is related to Vilom Shabd, that is opposite word meaning, in 5 marks. And one question is from correct the sentences, वाक्यों को सही कीजिए शुद्ध कीजिए, in 5 marks. And one question is from two word difference, that is दो शब्दों में अंतर कीजिए. For example, Ajar, Ijar and Upal, Utpal was asked in previous exam, and that is of 5 marks. And next question came from Muhavre, that is of 5 marks. And one question is from वाक्यों के एक एक शब्द and also संधि विच्छेद of 10 marks. In Hindi, निबंध is of 30 marks. Like in previous exam, निबंध topic was विकास एवं पर्यावरण, and one topic is from संसद में महिलाओं का आरक्षण and तकनीकी विकास एवं रोजगार. So you can score good marks from Hindi paper 1 and English. So please focus on both this paper along with GS paper and optional. Now come to paper 3 and paper 4. Paper 3 is of general studies. It is of 200 marks, 3 hours is the time. And paper 4 is you have to choose one optional subject, that is of 200 marks. As earlier there were 2 optional in HCS exam mains, but now pattern is changed. Now you have to choose only one optional for mains exam. In general study paper 7 question came, and you all questions are compulsory. So let's discuss general study paper. General studies paper includes all subjects like geography, history, polity, and there will be question on current based topics. Like in previous exam these type of questions were asked. So let's discuss. There was question on river waterways in India, for tourism and transport. There was question on Chandrayaan 2, and one question is on Tejas Express. And what about the Varanasi as a cultural city? There are 7 questions, but there are sub parts of question 1. Like in question 1 there was EBC parts, so you have to deal with so many topics to attempt this paper. So current affair is one of the important part to cover this general studies paper, which I will discuss in my coming lectures. Now come to paper. There was question on USA and Iran conflict, and what about the financial inclusion, and there was question on PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Also there was question on geography, like groundwater depletion in India. So as we see, these questions are from current topics and polity and geography. And there is one question of like Jammu and Kashmir reorganization bill. What is the demography of India and its SDI index? In 200 words you have to write this question. There was question on Muslim women protection of rights and marriage act 2019. And there was question on social media, terrorism and Pakistan, and what is organic farming, what is global warming. The general study paper is a holistic approach. You have to deal or update with day-to-day current affairs. There was question on social media and what is the SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goal set up by the UN. There was question on non-conventional energy in India. Why is Chandragupta respected as a ruler in India? That is question from history. What is the ease of doing business in India? How is it improving its ranking? There was question on Maharana Pratap also, and question came from personality like Subhash Chandra Bose, APJ Abdul Kalam, Aurangzeb, Kabir. So you have to cover personalities also for this paper. Now come to next topic. There was question on Indian diaspora in different countries and their role in India's development. There is one topic of Eastern Durga Puja and Buddha Purnimam. So a religious part or question is also covered in general studies. There was question from science and tech like software. What is the features of ISRO? What is the river Ganga depletion and its solution? There was question on Harappan civilization from history background. And generally question came from policies like what is the higher education policy in India. There was question on Niti Aayog and women education, midday meal program of the government. The general studies paper is of 200 marks and it is also very scoring paper if your approach is good for general studies paper. So if you want to get good marks in this paper, please follow this channel. I will cover all the burning topics or recent topics in coming lectures. Now come to optional paper. You have to choose one optional subject like polity, history. There are 29 subjects from which you have to choose one optional subject like agriculture, botany, commerce, statistics, political science, history, law, mathematics, management. So there are 29 optional subjects. In coming lecture I will discuss about political science and history optional subject. Now come to pattern of optional subject. There are 7 questions and you have to attempt 5 questions. First question is compulsory. You have to must do this question and you have to write 2 questions from each 2 sections. So you have to write total 5 questions in optional subject. In next coming lectures I will discuss previous year paper of general studies and optional subject like political science, and also cover Indian history topics. So please keep watching Dream Civil Services. Jai Hind.